Welcome to the LG Customer Support channel. This video will show you how to clean and care for your LG refrigerator. The refrigerator, as well as the freezer, do their own defrosting. This process, however, does not prevent the buildup of contaminants, so it's suggested that you clean both parts once a month and clean spilled liquids immediately. Before you begin, unplug the refrigerator or turn off power to the circuit at a breaker or fuse box. To clean your refrigerator, pull out all of the removable parts, such as the vegetable and dairy doors. Use a clean sponge or soft rag and lukewarm water mixed with detergent. Do not use abrasive or concentrated cleaners. Hand wash all surfaces and dry thoroughly. Plug the refrigerator back in after you're finished cleaning. Replace all removable parts. To protect the outside of your refrigerator, you can wax it. Make sure you use a product specifically designed to be used with electronics. Car wax is okay. For stainless steel refrigerators, do not use wax. Stainless steel can be simply cleaned with water and soap. Never use abrasive products or concentrated cleaners on your refrigerator. Always avoid the use of chemical products that contain phosphates or bleach. To clean the inside of your refrigerator and freezer, allow the freezer to slightly warm up. To eliminate bad odors, clean the inside of your refrigerator with a mixture of baking powder and lukewarm water. Use 1 teaspoon of baking powder per cup of water. Make sure that the powder dissolves completely in order to prevent any abrasive damage to the cabinet of your refrigerator. To clean the door lining and gaskets, use only a mild detergent, such as dish soap, with warm water. The refrigerator and freezer compartment lights are LED lighting. Unlike conventional light bulbs, these lights cannot be replaced by yourself. Service should only be performed by a qualified technician. To see other videos about this refrigerator model, please visit our YouTube page or our website at lg.com.